I'm a man for destiny. I have traveled far and wide to open up people's minds and open up people's hearts. And what you have witnessed tonight is a mind-expanding experience. It expands your mind and expands your body. New ideas, the new possibility. And your life will be able to change, and hopefully the life that your mind, because the most important thing is not only most important way to teach anybody anything, and inspire them to learn, and inspire them to be themselves.
Hey, can I buy some acid?
I mean, it's a story. The mind is expanding experience. What more do you want?
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the videos. I'm kind of back. It's the first day of the Woodward Dreamcruise, and yeah, this next week's gonna be pretty sick. I'm gonna be filming stuff like every day, trying to upload like the next day. Something that I haven't done before, and we'll see how this goes.
Seen so many.
Alright, we're rolling out to M1 Concourse with the boys.
Hey.
In the Jeep.
God
damn it.
Alright, so last year when I started hanging out with this fool right here, he would randomly be like, yeah, and he would say bet all the time. So we transitioned this into one combination. And so if you say bet, you don't do anything. But the moment you say bet, you gotta go slap your elbow. And he hated it.
I fucking hate you.
So now every time everybody does it, you're like bet.
No, I was telling him how good this fucking pen writes, and he writes calmly.
Alright, so we're just now getting over to M1, and as you can hear, there's lots of cars. A lot of kitties. So this is a Dodge sponsored event, so there's a lot of demons, Hellcats, etc. It's hosted by Roadkill. It's called Roadkill Nights, and if you know the show on Motor Trend, Roadkill, oh yeah, talking to Hellcats, there you go. If you know the show Roadkill, then this is essentially like their thing that they do for the Woodward Dreamcruise, and they just have like legal street racing on Woodward. They just section it off and prep the road. It's fucking sick. We're at the M1 Concourse, and I'm trying to think the best way to describe what this place is. It's a racetrack with like condos, so you can buy a garage here and it has like a hangout space on top. It's basically just a place for rich people to like store their cars and then take them out on track, and it's pretty sweet.
Pretty much, yeah.
every day, like 2,000-3,000 horsepower cars on the street.
Capital dragster, just rolling burnout the whole way down the street.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Oh, is that a Dodge, bro?
Ram!
Don't hit the people. I got us the hookup, so we're now in on the drag strip.
Go, connect the satellite here. Looks like some of the cloud.
Oh, look, a demon. This is interesting. Uh-oh. So the people that let us in here explained all of the rules of things not to do, and they'll kick us out if we do any of them.
I think we've done 3 of those things already.
Don't open the cars.
Don't cross the train tracks.
Don't cross the train tracks. Don't go anywhere.
Across the train tracks.
So we haven't gone to where she said we should go.
Where should we go?
Yeah, where should we go?
I honestly didn't pay attention.
Not sure, to be honest.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That's insane. On the street.
Yeah, on the street. Not even a prep surface.
No
just,
prep.
just fucking sending it.
So the crazy thing about this is that we're actually standing on the street. This is Woodward Avenue. This is the street.
Yeah, pretty much. I drive down here on the regular.
Look at the wheels on this 300.
Who's man's?
So sitting next to us on the starting line is about 4,000 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal in the form of this Buick Roadmaster.
Are you guys going to Bayside?
Meanwhile, in the other lane is the Monte Carlo, and that thing is probably...
Who's ready for that Jeep action? Woo! Oh! Oh, who's man's?
Hey, who's man's? Rambos.
Don't launch it, won't drive.
My dad has 2 decks.
I think I just saw Lum's head touch the ceiling.
It was so close. Alright, so we've been chilling for a whole minute and now we are going to Bayside to meet next to a lake. It's kind of sweet. And then we'll see what's there. Made it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What are you expecting to see right here?
Where?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Well, I already see a lot of focuses, so
Focuses.
I hope it's gonna be something a little bit
kinda
better
not
than
lit.
that.
Some nice
not
trucks,
very
yee.
lit. Some nice yee.
Nice trucks.
Well, I see one, so maybe not so yee, but we'll see. We'll see.
We hungry.
You said that in the last video.
Oh, damn it.
This thing is insane. It's a Pontiac Solstice with a blown LS in it, and I'm pretty sure it has spray too. I don't know exact power figures. Alright, I'm gonna throw my camera on the gimbal and film a few bits. I may as well while I'm here. It's not anything too exciting, but I'm trying to keep these videos more cinematic and keep them entertaining for you guys, as that's what I'm good at. Because I'm so new to this camera setup, I keep making the stupidest mistakes where I literally don't, I think I press record and then I don't. And then when I go to stop recording, I look down and it's just started recording. So a bunch of the shots that I just got were probably messed up. It's so annoying. And like, it makes a little sound when you press record on the A7S and I don't hear it because it's loud. It's irritating me. It's one of those things I have to get used to because I keep missing shots.
Nice.
Alright, let's go to Woodward. Alright, so I'm going to give some Detroit education here. This is the only city to have a car scene like this, where literally every week, as long as the weather is nice, which even now it's not, people just come out to this one road and hang out, set up races, look at each other's cars and shit. It's the coolest thing ever, and I've been nowhere else that does anything like this. How would you describe it, man?
It's pretty much the craziest shit you could ever imagine.
What kind of cars are there?
You've got exotics, full muscle cars, 1,000-wheel horsepower race cars,
Imports.
Everything. Literally everything.
This week is the Woodward Dreamcruise, which is a show, I guess, that has been going on for 30 plus years here, and over 1 million people come out every year. It's one of the biggest car shows in the world, and it's incredible. It's full of mainly like classic American muscle cars, but there's all sorts of crazy stuff here. You know, rat rods, imports, stance cars, lowriders, trucks, everything you can think of, you name it, it's here. And it's usually one day, but like the whole week is just packed. It's insane.
Fucking delicious.
You want an earring?
No. Woodward was dead because it rained, so.
Yeah, I would assume so.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the camera. Oh. So I decided to come back out of Woodward because the road's dried up, so it's actually pretty busy out considering it is 11:45. Usually the police have kicked everyone out by 10 p.m, so I'm genuinely surprised right now.
Vlog, dude. Recording a vlog.
Where have you been for hours all day?
Been fucked up. I don't even know.
Yo, who is this man?
This is him. This is him. This is him.
This man's in a goat. In a bus has a goat.
Goat from the back of the bus. Pull out the goat! Hey,
show us your goat!
Show us the goat!
There's a goat in here. I know, team. He looks like that one guy.
It says ready to cuddle, and I'm scared.
What's he do? The videos? I mean, this is not a creepy ass fucking bus.
I know, I'm about to get kidnapped.
No.
Where the fuck?
Oh!
Yo! What's up, everybody?
Let's go.
Shit. You want me to get my guitar?
Yeah!
Alright. People are ducking, people are saying that something going on. People are ducking, people are saying that something going down. Hey, hey, ho, ho, what's going on? Hey, hey, ho, ho, what's going on? Hey, hey, ho, ho, what's going on? What's going on? Hey, 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 there's another guy in the gas station. Hey, hey, ho, ho, what's going on? Give me that song, give me your uncle. You are. Hey, you say, pound to
I said, Lum, make something epic tonight. What do we get?
Hey guys, welcome to the Woodward Dreamcruise. This is so lit.
The Woodward
What, people want to take pictures?
We want to hear more music.
Alright, more music.
Are you okay, bud? My dude, $5. Yeah.
The goat's name is Deer.
Sir, that is not a deer. Oh, the goat has a mixtape.
Oh, give him that. Give him
He's eating his mixtape.
No.
Help this man.
My YouTube is Eric and Deer the Goat.
Eric and Deer the Goat.
Eric and Deer the Goat.
What kind of videos do you make?
I make whatever, like bunch of videos of.
I found it, Eric and Deer the Goat.
Yeah.
There he is.
And so like I got like basically I make a bunch of random videos about maybe just bus life and goat life and like things I do for the community and like just random like blogs and like.
That's awesome. Goat life.
You know?
Where did you get a goat from?
I got him from a petting zoo.
Did you buy it from them?
Yeah, I bought them. Of course I bought them.
Anything else you want to give a shout out to?
I want to shout out to the Rock Club Foundation and all the beautiful dreamers, and I want to take it. And I also like to thank all of you for being you and all the beautiful things you do.
That's cool. That's a good underlying message. I like that. Well, thank you for coming out and entertaining us. This has been
That's what I do, man.